Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on drawing cartoons, and I'd like to show you today how to draw a fairy with a cap, that kind of conical cap that they have. We're going to suggest that over here, and we're going to give a lot of hair on one side here. Bring the ear out. This is a basic overall shape. And I'll bring the neck down. These are all the basics. We're getting started with the basics right here. Here we go. Bring the hair way up on the side. You can bring it around so it's all flowing in the same direction. And we're going to tilt those eyes up because we give fairies kind of tilted eyes, gives a magical look to it. We bring the eyelashes up. And a tiny upturned nose. I'm going to bring the chin down a little bit more, a little pointed. Also, that pointiness, kind of magical look. A small mouth, but full lips. And have her looking out the side like something's about to happen. They're always alert. They're so small in the woods and the forest, they have to be alert at all times. That's the conceit right there. Make that a little larger. Oh, good. Then we have a little turtleneck going on here. Look how I'm drawing the turtleneck. It's like a ring. It's not straight across. It's a ring. You need to give a little dimension to the ears, so just put a flap in front. And now let's see how we have it with the marker. So I have it on one side this way, and I will try to imitate that on the other side, rather than just finish the eye on one side first. I think it's always better to do both eyes simultaneously. You run into a lot less trouble that way. Here we go. So that's pretty close. It doesn't have to be exact. There's an eyeball here. And now let's add a few eyelashes, some long ones. They darken that upper eyelid. Adds a little glamour to the character. And again, we have a little upturned nose. And small lips, that little cupid's bow in the middle, that's a dip. Let's have some straight eyebrows. Those are very expressive. People think you have to really turn them around and curve them and push them. It's not true. You be very expressive, the eyebrows, just straight. A little bit of a line for the crease over the eyes. That gives it depth. And now we could also add a strand or two, kind of manga style, in front of the ears. Make sure the neck is thick enough, so I'm going to thicken it just a touch because it's a little thin. Nice but thin. So that's a little better. Bring the ears out. And here's the tip here. So this tip, oh good, it's about right. It's self-checking. Now bring one strand of hair down here, another here, and now we can sort of clump them together. And they split apart on the other side. Bring them up and around. And bring it up like that. Kind of blows off in the wind. And now we'll draw that turtleneck. But instead of making it a hard ring, now we're going to sort of soften the sides a little bit. Otherwise it looks like it's made of metal rather than cloth. And the fairy does not know where to get metal. They don't sell it in the woods where she is. You have to go all the way to the other side of the woods. Real hassle. All right, here's the conical hat. A little crease in there. I like to put a little patch. Maybe it's a used hat. She went to the used conical hat store. A little bit of black here. And a little bit of black here. A little bit under the chin. And there you have it. There is your fairy character. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe. New videos every week. You can find my books on Amazon, Barnes & Nobles, Michaels, Joanne, all booksellers. Hobby Lobby too. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.